Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove email address from WhatsApp account. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. On my previous video, I've shown you how to add email address on WhatsApp account, and now I will show you how to remove it. Maybe because you want to change the email or you don't want get any notification from WhatsApp on your email, so you want to remove your email address from your WhatsApp account, or maybe your email no longer active. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp. Now you can tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. You can tap on settings. Tap on account. Now you can tap on email address. So here your email that can help you access your account anytime you need it. And it has verified. But if you want to remove, you can tap on the email here. You can change the email if you have the new email for this, or you don't want to link your email to WhatsApp account. You can just remove by tap on the upper right corner here and three dots. Tap on remove email. Now you can tap on remove. So now there's no more email address that link into your WhatsApp account. So you won't get any notification from WhatsApp whenever WhatsApp want to send you notification. So that is how to remove email address from WhatsApp account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you. See you.